Welcome back to a new episode of Cooking with Jay Simkevitz. If you're new or reoccurring and haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. If you have subscribed, then thank you so much for doing that. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Jay Simkevitz. That's me. Today I'm going to be making steak and onions. Also, it's going to be a silent video, so I'm just going to show you everything and not explain it, because I want to see what your reaction is. If you enjoy it or if you don't, please comment below what you think. If you enjoy the silent or if you enjoy me talking during the video, please let me know. So let me show you the ingredients and everything else, and we'll go from there, and that's how I will start with the silent video. I hope you enjoyed another episode of Cooking with Jay Simkovitz. That's me. So please comment below if there's something you want me to do. Also, hit the thumbs up button. Squash it, smash it, high five it, and hit the thumbs up button. Also, share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And also, remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You're one of a kind. You're beautiful. And thank you for being part of Cooking with Jay Simkovitz and Jay Squad. And most importantly, remember, keep calm and cook on.